Not every piece of prep is treated equally in Britain. Some items quietly vanish first, others get age checked, carriage restrictions or seasonal rationing, and a few become so scarce it feels like you're not meant to have them at all. Today, the UK Prepper Blacklist, 9 items they don't want everywhere and how to get them legally, quietly and smart before winter. This is educational only, UK law applies, use products as directed. Welcome back to Charlie Survival. This is not about a legal kit, this is about availability pressure, quiet policy friction and supply chain behaviour that makes certain items a pain to buy when it matters. I'll show you what disappears, why, UK safe alternatives and OSPEC tips to avoid broadcasting your gear to the whole street. Stay till number 9, almost nobody stocks it soon enough and it's the first thing supermarkets squeeze. I live on the rugged UK coastline, we test this stuff for real, storms, power cuts, boil notices, flooded lanes. So let's talk about the items that always vanish the minute Britain sneezes. 9. Water storage that actually pours. Most people wait until the taps run brown, but then the good containers are gone. White Blacklist itself. Retailers understock stackable food-grade jerry cans with taps. In outages, stores prioritise small bottled waters that sell fast. Big containers disappear and sometimes get pre-customer limits. What to buy? 10 to 20 litre stackable, BPA-free containers with built-in tap. A few fold-flat 10 litre carriers for neighbours and elderly. Water treatment tabs as a plan B. Always read the labels. Budget alternative. Clean 2 litres PET bottles, rotate every few months. OSPEC tip. Stagger deliveries, 2 this week, 2 next, not a pallet on your doorstep. Stored water is useless without making clean water, which brings us on to number 8. 8. Serious water filtration, gravity plus inline. Boil notices expose a truth. Cheap filters are confidence theatre. White Blacklist itself. During contamination scares, gravity filters and inline hiking filters sell out instantly. Some brands restrict shipment during surges, others go on back order. What to buy? Gravity filter for home. Inline squeeze filter for day packs, the thread onto bottle type. Pre-filter cloth plus spare elements. OSPEC tip. Don't brag about turning river soup into Evian. Filters become a community asset if everyone knows. If you want to be one step ahead, I've listed all the items they don't want you to have on my Amazon kit list, items I've tried and tested. You can find the link in the description. Feel free to check it out after this video. Clean water's great until your lights die. The next one disappears before every storm. 7. Smart chargers and A-cell rechargeables. UK households run on A-cells, head torches, remotes, radios. In winter, they vanish. White's Blacklist itself. When supply is tight, shops push single-use cells. Good NIMH rechargeables and smart chargers sell out. Some carriers limit bulk lithium shipments, slowing restock. What's to buy? Low self-discharge NIMH AA or AAA sets. Smart charger with individual cell bays plus USB-C input. USB power bank so you can charge anywhere from mains. Budget alternative. A small packet of alkalines per room labelled power cut only. OPSEC tip. Don't dump 40 packs of batteries into one recycle bin. It advertises your usage. Batteries feed your torches, but not your router, radio or medical kit. That's 6. 6. 12V core plus small pure sine inverter. Why won't my router turn on off of the power bank? Because some devices hate dirty power. White Blacklist itself. Pure sine inverters 150 to 300 watts are niche retail. In storms they sell out. Some retailers throttle orders on leisure batteries or restrict carriage. What to buy? Core. 12V leisure battery, a size you can lift. Small pure sine inverter, 150 to 300 watts for chargers and low draw kit. USB hub plus voltmeter plus proper fuse leads. DC car charger so you can top up while driving. What it runs, typical. Phones, radios, head torches, small router when the cabinet has power, camera batteries. If the street cabinet or exchange is down, the router won't bring back the internet. You still need power local network. Budget alternatives. Bigger USB-C power bank 20 to 30,000 plus 12V car socket adapter. OPSEC tip. No fairy lights with extensions in the window, keep charging stations out of sight. Power helps, but you still can't see hands-free. That's why 5 is gold. 5. Head torches and sane indoor lighting. Candles look cozy, they also set kitchens on fire. Why it blacklists itself. Before storms, head torches and USB lanterns clean out. DIY stores ration fuel canisters, tiny camp lamps stay, good lanterns go. What to buy? Head torch with rechargeable A cells. Rechargeable battery lantern, warm white with hang point. Clip-on book light for kids' rooms. A few glow sticks for stair markers. Budget alternatives. Tea lights in a wide stable tray, away from curtains, never leave unattended. Auspex tip. Use warm, low indoor light that doesn't scream, we've got power. You can see, now you need to coordinate. Welcome to 4. 4. PMR 446 radios plus printed channel cards. When mobiles fail, most households have no plan B. Why it blacklists itself. In UK outages and events, license-free PMR 446 handsets sell out. Some models need integrated batteries you can't swap, which is bad for long cuts. What's to buy? PMR 446 sets, legal, fixed antenna. Prefer units that take A cells or have removable packs. Printed channel plan, family, neighbours, car to home. Earpieces for privacy in crowds. OPSEC tip. Don't broadcast prep a net on channel 1. Use less obvious channels and keep chat boring. Short, plain English, not gear talk. Comms are useless if everyone's ill or injured. The next category quietly gets squeezed every winter. 3. First aid consumables you actually use. Kits aren't magic, consumables are. Why it blacklists itself. During seasonal spikes and supply hiccups, shops limit over-the-counter pain relief, rehydration salts and sterile dressings. Online stock swings, some items won't ship with other goods. What to buy? UK safe consumer. Sterile dressings, triangular bandages, assorted plasters, wound cleaning saline pods, gloves, tape, shears, oral rehydration salts, basic pain relief, antihistamines as directed, thermal blanket, finger splints, thermometer. Auspex tip. Don't Instagram your kit drawer. Medical stuff invites borrowers. Follow packaging, this is not medical advice. We've stabilised people and power, now protect the heat you already pay for. 2. Insulation and draft proofing that sells out. Prepping and survival isn't just gear, it's heat you don't lose. Why it blacklists itself. Cold snaps trigger runs on pipe lagging, draft tape, thermal curtains and weather seals. What to buy? Pipe lagging, correct bore, tap socks outdoors, draft excluder tape for letterbox or loft hatch, thermal curtains or liners and foil radiator panels, door sweeps for gaps, especially to garages. Budget alternatives. Old towels at door bases, bubble wrap on single glazed panes. Auspex tip. Curtains drawn at dusk keeps that everyone's cold silhouette. All that in one item still beats them all for sudden scarcity. 1. Food preservation supplies, jars, lids, acids. Every autumn the UK rediscovers we don't have enough lids. Why it blacklists itself. Proper jars and replacement lids are seasonal and sell out fast at winter. Citric acid, pectin and pickling salts spike and vanish. What to buy? Kilner style jars in practical sizes plus extra lids. Citric acid, pectin, pickling salts, labels and pens. Vacuum sealable bags for dry goods, mylar and O2 absorbers if you go deeper. Basic dehydrator if you'll use it, otherwise air dry herbs. Budget alternative. Save and sterilise passata or jam jars for pickles. Opset tip. Don't bulk buy 200 lids on one ticket at the village shop. Leave stock for others, build over time. With those 9 in place, winter supply shocks feel like Sunday admin, not panic. Opsec, your invisible 10th item. Prepping isn't just what you have, it's who knows you have it. Keep deliveries small, rotate purchases, store quietly and resist the urge to boast. Use boring labels and spread storage, under bed, loft, a sealed tub in the boot. Share skills, not inventory. Quick recap. 9. Water storage with taps. 8. Serious filtration, gravity plus inline. 7. AA and AAA rechargeables plus smart chargers. 6. 12V core plus small pure sine inverter. 5. Head torches plus safe indoor lighting. 4. PMR 446 plus printed channel plan. 3. First aid consumables you'll actually use. 2. Insulation and draft proofing. 1. Preservation supplies, jars, lids, acids. Get these before winter, not during it. Now you know the items before the panic. Head over to my Amazon kit list where I put all the equipment they don't want you to have in one place. Feel free to click the link in the description. If this helped, subscribe for more. I'd love to have you in the community. Let's try and get 100,000 strong before Christmas. Drop a like so more UK households see it, and tell me in the comments which item always vanishes first near you. Now you have what's valuable. Learn how to hide it by clicking this video on screen now. Stay prepared, stay wild, and I'll see you over there.